Good morning. Jared and I'm being encouraged to tell the truth. So this morning we both woke up on the wrong side of the bed, didn't really sleep that well. I kind of said that on the inside, my brain chemistry feels like I just feel really, after not getting a good sleep, I don't feel the best. But it's made me want to really seek something that make me feel better, and I found this place called Synergy in Sedona, and I believe it's a lounge and cafe that is centered around Lulu's raw chocolate. So I'm excited because I know that's going to help me feel better and make the most of this day. This river is flowing with the healing grace of magical energy. Back at Chocolate Tree, had a bit of a fight in the grocery store, and I really felt like it was important to be in a space where we could be held by all these sacred statues and positive intentions and good vibes to help us work through what's coming up. I feel like Sedona can be a bit of a healing vortex, and so it's like I can feel just it's almost like being in the energetic washing machine. And yeah, so I'm just holding space for the highest good healing of this situation, what's coming up for Jared and I, and praying for both of our highest good for the ways to be made clear. Well, good evening. We have landed at a beautiful free camping place near Sedona. It's awesome. It's been a bit of a turbulent, healing afternoon, but we're now in a space of replenishment and being restored. Jared is about to make a delicious dinner, and I am really thankful for a nice place to lay. And yeah, giving thanks for this beautiful, mystical landscape. Very interesting.
It may be small. It may be cramped. It may at times be challenging, but it's coming together. We have the full bed extension out right now. So it's like a real bed, and neither one of us is getting shafted
on the floor.
Having to sleep on the floor. So we got a full bed. We have the kitchen unit out, which is amazing. We have water.
Yeah.
We've now used the wood stove. We've used the cooking apparatus a few times. It makes me happy to cook. This is my bedroom on wheels, and I just want to cook and eat the good food, so that's what we're doing right now.
Ooh.
Of course, still filming.
Good afternoon. It's me, Cora, doing this daily vlog from Sedona, Arizona. I admit today has been a challenging day, and it's always vulnerable posting these challenging days and authentic, vulnerable moments on YouTube. I don't know why I feel compelled to do it. I feel like on some level I want to make vulnerability normal, or make it like culturally acceptable to share something real and honest and emotionally true on the internet without always presenting this egoic perfection illusion, to actually just like admit and own and embrace that part of our human experience is these challenges and the depth and the breaking open that is happening for many of us on these healing, transformation, evolution journeys. So yeah, today's been a bit of a challenge. We woke up in this beautiful camping space, and then I don't know, both Jared and I had really intense anger come up in unrelated situations, like really intense, and then we tried to kind of like decide what we were going to do today, because we have a show booked, but we're not sure if it's going to be worth our time and energy. And again, I'm feeling kind of nauseous and like sick, and so we're trying to figure out what to do. I mean, deep down, I'm like, I just wish I had like a hotel booked to like have a bath and chill. And it's funny that was the low battery. That's what I was doing, pressing this. And it's kind of symbolic of where I'm at. I feel really drained and really like, we've been living in a van together, a small van, for 1 month solid. And before that, it was 1 month of me camping on Jared's land at a community on Salt Spring Island, which was great in many ways. But I'm noticing that the animal self of me is like, man, I want a bath and a room. And see, it's Jared, so hopefully we can resolve this. So Jared and I are here at Govinda's restaurant, the Hare Krishna place in Tucson. Jema. It was so delicious. It was amazing. Any comments?
Oh my god. I just ate a lot of food. Cora was reasonable. I just wanted to make sure that I left here feeling ill in a good way.
Continue on North 1st Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
Oh, oops, I left my GPS on. I think you look great, and yeah, tonight we're gonna find a place to park in Tucson, hopefully have a good sleep, and yeah, that's it. It's been hopefully not a super boring day, but it's just been a lot of like arguing, fighting, resolving, crystallizing.
Yeah, it's getting weird. We're making all these vlogs talking about arguing, like, really?
Just being honest. But we're working through it, and that's the important thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Well,
Good night.
peace.
Thank you. And if you have any ideas for fun stuff we should do in these vlogs, feel free to comment. This is an interactive experience, and I'm excited to have you along for the journey.